Hi, I'm Blanca from SolKing. In this video, we're going to explain how to get the hash list or min list from any NFT collection. This will let us to verify and list our own collection on different secondary markets like Magic Eden, Opensea, Solanart or Solsea. Then we will start. To get the hash list of a collection, we will need the token address of at least one NFT on this collection. In this case, I'm going to use this NFT you can see on screen, but you can do this with the NFT you want if you have its token address. Once we have the token address, we will go to solscan.io. There we paste the address on the search bar. This will give us a token account. On this page, we should go to SPL token address and click it. Another time, this will open a new page. This page is all the NFT information. To continue, we go to Creators. Click it and we should pick the creator address with 0% royalties and click it too. After clicking, we will have another new page with a new address. Here, we should copy the main address we can see under Account. When we have this address copied, we can go to Magic Eden Mint List tool. You will have the link in the description of the video. This tool will let us put the wallet creator address or the candy ID of any collection, giving us results, the complete hash list of that collection. So once we are on the website, we will paste the address we copied before on the search bar. And to finish, we click Get Hash List. This could take some minutes, but as a result, if we scroll down, we will have the hash list of our collection. This is a list of all min hashes of each NFT in the collection. So we have finished. Thanks for watching. See you.